Okay, guys. Bro, don't be brain rot, okay? My other teammate, my other partner is right here. Yeah, my other partner is just watching. Hey! Hey! No brain rot, right?
No, I'm not. We should save the community to stop the brain rot. We should beat the brain rot kids. Yeah. Bro. Guys. If this boy shooted at that ring, see that ring?
Yeah.
This ring? If it shooted right there, bruh, we should.
If he shoot it that... Bro, I can't speak! If he shoot the ball... If he shoot the ball like this... Bro, wait. Cut. Wait. If he shoots the ball like this, she win, okay? She
Great
win.
memories
She
that
win.
we'll start now. We
Yeah.
will beat those brain rot kids.
Yeah, true. That is true. Put my bracelet. Wait, bro, wait, bro. There. I am putting my bracelet, guys. No. Go. Oh!
Yeah, bro.
No way!
Reset
Nah.
those memes. Reset those memes, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Destroy those brain rot kids.
Yeah,
We should
bro.
win. Bruh. Have you seen those brain rot kids at 6'7"? Bro, they're like so dumb.
True.
Bro, good thing this guy is on our side, even though he's just a baby. Oh! Shoot it! Shoot! Like really, bro.
Now we are gonna play
Oh,
the next video we are playing basketball. Yeah. That is true. We are playing basketball, so we need to end this, bro. We need to end this. By the way, we are in Philippines, not gonna lie, we are in the Philippines. So bye guys. Peace.